Hello? Yep. No, yeah, yeah. No, I'm working on that now. Yeah, we'll be ready. So, what, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning? Yeah, no, I'm working on it now. So that's the priority. Yep, no worries. No worries. It'll be done. Cheers. Hello? Yeah. No, I can't now because I've got this report. It's got to be done by tomorrow. It's urgent now. Uh, okay. No worries. No, I'll get it done. Fuck it.
Wake up each day, head held high, chasing stars, reaching the sky. Heart stay strong, never fold. Through the storm, through the cold. When dreams come true, shining bright, feel so new, into the light. Fight the doubts, break the chains, run the race, feel no pain.